The next exercise we're going to do is the knee stretch. It involves a pillow or a folded up bath towel being placed underneath your hips. And what I'd like you to do is keep the left leg straight and the right knee flexed. Interlace your fingers behind your knee and bring the knee slowly up towards the chest, whilst at the same time keeping the left leg straight and the toe up. So you're going to be stretching the hamstrings and the calf and at the same time flexing the thigh. So it's a slow stretch, 20 times, holding, and as you bring the knee into full flexion on this side, on the right side, you should be stretching and placing and putting pressure at the back of the knee, stretching down so you can feel a little bit of tension at the back of the hamstring. Does that feel okay? Good. 20 times on that side, and we'll swap over now and we'll do the opposite side. And I'd like you to compare the tension levels between the two hips. That's it. And again, nice rocking movement. Bring the knee up to the abdomen. Bring the toe up to the shin on the side that's not active. Good. The side that you feel is tighter, you would do a little bit longer and stretch further, depending on which side you feel needs it further. Good, excellent. When you're doing the exercise, be conscious of neck tension. Make sure your neck's firmly, comfortably positioned on the pillow. And your neck muscles, the muscles at the front of your throat and neck, are comfortably relaxed. And your breathing is breathing deeply through the abdomen. So, when you've done knee stretching front to back, what you can then do to modify is simply interlace the fingers again behind the knee, keep the leg straight and do some rotatory movement, 15 to 20 repetitions clockwise and 15 to 20 anti-clockwise. Again, being conscious that the leg that's not being rotated is kept straight and the toe dorsiflexed. Good. Having done the right side, you would repeat on the left. Straighten that leg and bring this one up, interlace your fingers. That's it. And rotation. Start with a small circle and gradually as your hip and groin relaxes, make the circumference of your circle slightly larger. That's it. Good. And again, I'd like you to think about which hip feels tighter, that you can spend that little bit longer with it, depending on time. Good. And the opposite direction now. Okay, so that's an add-on to the knee stretch, which you do first of all front to back, anteropostural, and then you've got the rotation at the end. That's the knee stretch exercise.